In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that allows you to organize, analyze, and share your data seamlessly. Whether you're new to spreadsheets or just looking to enhance your productivity, you're in the right place. Let's dive into getting comfortable with Google Sheets. First, we'll start by opening Google Sheets. Navigate to the untitled spreadsheet on your Google Sheets dashboard. If you're not signed in, you'll need to do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a grid of cells where you can input and manipulate data. This is your primary workspace. Next up, you're going to familiarize yourself with the menu options available. Let's begin by clicking on the File menu at the top left corner. The File menu lets you perform actions like creating a new spreadsheet, opening an existing one, or exporting the current document to other formats like Excel or PDF. It's a good starting point each time you begin work on a new or existing project. Moving along, let's explore the Edit menu. Click on Edit, and you'll find options for making changes or adjustments to the content of your spreadsheet. This includes common tasks like copying, pasting, and undoing or redoing your last action. These tools are handy for managing and correcting data entries effectively. Now it's time to take a look at the View menu. Click on View to adjust how your spreadsheet is displayed. From here, you can freeze rows or columns, which is especially helpful when dealing with large data sets, ensuring that certain headers or labels are always visible no matter where you scroll. Coming to the Insert menu, you'll see you can add new elements into your sheet. Whether it's inserting rows and columns or more advanced features like charts and images, this menu expands your ability to visualize data and make your spreadsheet more informative. Next, let's click on Format. The Format menu is your go-to for styling your spreadsheet. Here you can change fonts, adjust text size, or apply borders and fill colors. Proper formatting helps in highlighting key data and making your spreadsheet easier to read. Within the Data menu, you'll have access to tools for organizing your data. You can sort and filter data, create pivot tables, and even perform more complex functions like data validation. This is particularly useful for analysis and ensuring data integrity. Then, in the Tools menu, you have a collection of utilities to enhance your workflow. This includes spelling checks, macros, and even enabling Google Sheets' built-in survey tool, Google Forms, providing you with expanded functionalities. Don't forget to explore the Extensions menu, where you can find and add additional features through add-ons. These can help automate tasks or integrate with other applications you use frequently. As a quick tip, use the paintbrush icon to copy formatting from one cell to another, saving time and ensuring consistency across your sheet. Finally, to actually input data, click directly on a cell and start typing. You can enter text, numbers, or formulas right in the cell and confidently use features like cell highlighting to emphasize particular areas in your spreadsheet, making this tool incredibly versatile. That wraps up our introductory dive into Google Sheets. With these basics, you're well equipped to start utilizing Google Sheets for your projects. Keep practicing and you'll find it an invaluable tool in managing and analyzing information. Thanks for watching and